Hello and welcome to the FLORA app. I couldn't be more grateful that you're here and that you've decided to take the leap of faith in including FLORA as a part of your healing journey. My name is Molly Pelletier. I'm a registered dietitian specializing in acid reflux, GERD, LPR, and IBS, and I am the founder of FLORA Nutrition. In this app is really everything that I wish I had when I was struggling with GERD. I struggled with gastroesophageal reflux disease and acid reflux for over a decade, and I can remember staying up late searching for answers. I was desperate to find something that could help me overcome my symptoms, and I felt more confused than ever. In my research, I saw everything from high acid diets to low acid diets. On the blogs, the Facebook groups, I was thoroughly confused about what to eat, how to eat, and how to prevent my symptoms so I could find long-term healing and reintroduce my favorite foods. So over the years, I have become a specialist in the reflux space, and on this app is really tons of resources that can help you understand your symptoms, overcome your symptoms, and give you the tools to feel calm, safe, and supported in your reflux healing journey right at your fingertips. When you've been diagnosed with something like GERD or laryngopharyngeal reflux, it can be extremely anxiety provoking. We're thinking a lot about what's going to happen in the future, a lot of anxiety about our symptoms and about food. And so this fear can sometimes actually create more symptoms because we are in a place of fight or flight. And when our nervous system is in a state of fight or flight, this can perpetuate reflux. So our focus here at FLORA is all about shifting the focus away from fear and towards health, towards joy, towards healing. And so these resources in the app are a proven method to help you find relief from reflux. We have helped over thousands of individuals find relief from reflux, and I couldn't be more grateful that you have taken this leap of faith into the FLORA app, into the FLORA community. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of the FLORA app and what you can find on this app, how you can use it, and how you can stay on track with your goals using the app. Because here's the secret sauce. I have so many clients that come to our practice that have tried lots of things that are actually really great. You know, they've tried certain diets that have helped for a little while. They've tried certain supplements that may have helped, but if we're not consistent with some of these things for long enough to really get true tissue healing, that's where we can fall off and really get stuck in a cycle of not making progress. And I don't want that to be you. I am so excited for this journey for you because I know that you're diving into an app and a supportive community that's going to help you keep the momentum, keep the consistency going. So I'll also mention a few ways that this app can help you keep that secret sauce, which is consistency. Okay, so I'm opening up the app, and what you'll see first on the app is our homepage. And on the homepage, you can see the most recent video right here at the top. Then you'll also see all the recently added videos, and then your recent activity. This is your activity tracker, and you want to keep checking in here to hold yourself accountable with how many days you have gone in a row and how many weeks in a row you've used the FLORA app. So if you click into recent activity, you'll be able to see all of your recent activity. Right below that, we have a couple of shortcuts. So the first shortcut is the recipes, the programs tab, which has all of the recipes, which I'll dive into in a moment. When I swipe, the second shortcut is the Facebook group. If you tap there, it'll take you to our Facebook community where you can introduce yourself, drop where you're from, your background, and what you're hoping to learn and achieve with the FLORA app. And then if you scroll again one more time, that's a shortcut to our on-demand library, which I will show you in a moment. So you can tap on these images and they will take you to those shortcuts. You'll also see favorites, so you can heart any video and it will show up in your favorites. For example, I will heart my favorite yoga and meditation classes so I can just hit back and find them really quickly when I need them. At the bottom of the homepage, you will see our top rated videos, so our most frequently watched videos are right here. And then I'm going to show you the on-demand library, which you can find by hitting that on-demand library shortcut image or the library tab at the bottom of the app. Library is, you can think of this as the Netflix of the FLORA app. There is so much here to explore, and there are tons of resources to help you start supporting your gut health and preventing reflux, GERD, LPR. So the Start Here playlist, you will see a few things that I recommend getting started with just to get a flavor of the FLORA app. One video that I recommend watching next is the Design Your Gut Healing Protocol video. This will walk you through how to use FLORA in your daily life and how to make the most of the app. Also how to stay consistent with your healing journey. So definitely take advantage of this. And there's also a PDF journaling guide that goes along with this Gut Healing Protocol video. The second playlist you'll see is the Reflux Relief playlist, and this is really the bread and butter of FLORA. This is step-by-step how to start taking control of your reflux symptoms. You'll see here everything from what to do if you have reflux, what are your first most important steps, major root causes of reflux, difference between low stomach acid versus high stomach acid. We also talk about supporting your digestion, the best foods for acid reflux, what you can eat to help you reduce inflammation and support tissue healing, how to reintroduce foods. We talk about health anxiety, healing herbs, best supplements, everything that you need right at your fingertips. And I know how it feels to search the internet and see tons of conflicting, scary information. And so FLORA is really designed to be a safe space for you to come to find evidence-based information to help you overcome your symptoms and take back control of your health. So I recommend if you have reflux, going through this entire playlist. There's a lot here. Take notes, absorb, grab a cup of tea, and take your time. Then you'll see the gut-directed meditation playlists, which is really, really helpful for managing stress and reducing health anxiety. So if you are feeling anxious about food, anxious about meal times, your symptoms, definitely recommend incorporating these gut-directed meditations as a part of your healing protocol. So I like to start my day with 5 minutes of meditation on the app or a journaling session to really start off on the right foot and take some time for myself before the day begins. And I've noticed this has a massive impact on my gut health and my anxiety levels. There are tons of meditations from 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And then you'll see the weekly FLORA plans. These plans are designed to help keep you on track and to give you an idea of what an example schedule would look like using the app on an everyday basis. So we have videos in here designed to be used Monday through Friday. There are recipe videos, cooking demos, as well as beginner-friendly yoga, acid reflux-friendly yoga where there's no downward-facing dog and no inversions, as well as meditations and journaling. You'll see our community Q&As. You can submit a question underneath the Programs tab of the app, and I answer them in our community Q&A. So feel free to submit your questions, and I look forward to connecting with you in our Q&A. You'll also see a playlist for just quick 5 to 10 minute nervous system snacks. These are nervous system breaks designed to stimulate your vagus nerve and support healthy digestion and prevent reflux. Gut health nutrition modules, lots of cooking demos in the Cook With Me playlist, tons of recipes there as well. Gentle yoga and vinyasa yoga. If it is titled acid reflux friendly, that means there is no downward facing dog, no inversions, no deep twists, and no supine positions on your back. Morning rituals and deep sleep are 2 playlists that are designed for the morning and the evening to support your routines and your nervous system. There are also some reflux-friendly workout videos in the FLORA Fitness playlist, as well as tons of gut health interviews from pioneers and specialists in the field, everything from mental health to PPIs to how to prevent LPR. There's a ton of information here about reflux and gut health. There's journaling, wellness, and lifestyle videos, and a few behind-the-scenes FLORA shorts. That is the on-demand library, which you can also access on desktop. I will have the link to access it on desktop down below if you wanted to screen share this to a TV, or if you wanted to just access on desktop, you can absolutely do that. One other thing to keep in mind, you can also download any video for offline use if you're on a plane or you don't have access to internet. If you click the cloud button, you can download any video for offline use. Now, if I hit programs, this is where you will find all of the recipes. This is where all the recipes live. All the recipes from my cookbook are on the app, but the app has loads more recipes because we add new recipes every week. breakfast, lunch and dinner, snacks, soups and sauces, dips and dressings, desserts and beverages, all reflux friendly, and they are also tagged as GERD friendly, LPR friendly, gastritis friendly, and IBS friendly when they are IBS friendly and low FODMAP. You'll see the link to join our community Facebook group, which I highly recommend doing. It's an extremely supportive place where you can ask questions, share wins, share questions and discoveries. Meal plans are here, a list of reflux-friendly herbs and spices, as well as other resources for travel, for dining, a grocery guide, snack ideas that are low FODMAP. If you're looking for more support, more personalized guidance, you can also book a session on the app. Our recommended products are here. This is where you can submit a question for our community Q&A, and then we have a few other resources as well. Now, if you click the account tab, you'll see all your account details where you can see your active membership, you can edit your profile, you can refer a friend, and you will receive a $10 credit on your account. They will also receive a $10 credit. You can change your payment method, cancel your subscription here, follow us on Instagram, and log in and out. You can also report a problem. If you have any problems with the app, be sure to go to the account and report a problem, or you can email help@flora-nutrition.com. If you have any questions at all, please send me an email. I will drop the email down below. Lastly, pricing is the last tab, and this is where you can view the pricing for Flora. We do have a 7-day risk-free trial. You can cancel anytime, and then after that, you can choose to be a monthly member for $22 a month or an annual member for $185. And one thing to note here is if you cancel your 7-day trial, but then you decide you want to come back as a returning member, you'll just hit the returning member option here because the 7-day trial is only available once. So you can return as a member there. You can also purchase gift cards for your family or friends. I had a new client this week who came to me and she was feeling completely overwhelmed about what to eat. She didn't know where to start. She was so tired of eating bland, boring food. And so when I showed her the app, she was overwhelmed with joy because there was so much here to dive into in terms of recipes, other spices she could use, and a community behind her to support her along the way. And so I'm so excited for you to also find all of these incredible supportive tools on the Flora app. And I couldn't be more grateful and honored that you chose Flora to accompany your healing journey. I have goosebumps right now, and I just am so excited for this journey for you. If you have any questions at all, be sure to reach out via email. My email address is down below in the description of this video. And I can't wait to take this life-changing journey with you.